this 2013, they had improved up to 44,000 square meters. That is 6 times increase, and number of publishers went up to 1,200. It is a big major event, not only in India, but whole of South Asia. It provides opportunity of doing business for book industry, co-publishing, conferences, and other programs. I thank His Excellency, the Ambassador of Poland, for having agreed to become a partner country. It is a great country, and such a learned personality like you will, we hope, benefit our 22nd edition that will be happening in 2014. I thank participants from France, whose pavilion was very popular this year. I thank NBT officials, Mr. Sikandar, Joint Director, Deputy Directors, friends from ITPO, and other partners from Federation of Indian Publishers, Sangeet Natak Academy, ICCR, Delhi University, so on and so forth. Large number of people from all spheres of this industry who has been assisted right from the beginning. As of now, 70,000 people through tickets visited by yesterday evening, and today the figure has crossed 55,000 till now, and it will, I think, be more than last year. So 150,000 through tickets and 150,000 otherwise through invitation. I again thank all of you. Again, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Meena Saab. He is always, he work, like his accent speaks, he speaks less and work more. That is the thing, principle. And now I would like to request His Excellency, our guests from France and other dignitaries to have a tea with us. The tea is available here, please. Thank you. Thank you. Sit in the front row, our guest.
Mr. B.L. Meena, the vice the ITPO, and Madam Meenakshi Singh, and other dignitaries and the friends from France as well as Poland. Indeed, this is a special event where this time, as a first time in the book fair, we have started calling one country as a guest of honor country. So we are lucky to have a France as first guest of honor country. Thanks goes to the team, the ambassador and other people, especially Max, because we are part of the round table last time. We were discussing. I had assured him, so next time we will try to put up a good show. I don't know whether we could succeeded in that efforts or not. And as you know, we had many congratulatory messages from almost all the publishers wishing, but last they have a very tough time facing in their halls, managing the crowd which is thronging. And today we forced to distribute passes in the metro station queue because the ATPO, with their efforts, they put maximum ticket counters, yet it is insufficient, proved insufficient. It is an unprecedented crowd we ever faced in the book fair. Normally car show and other trade show, people normally come. And 2-3 days back, the rain, God blessed us with so much, so people could not come here. So that is the thing. Now, it's a warm welcome, all of you. Now I request our chairperson, Mr. Yesedu Madhavan, and say a few words and the announcement also, please.
His Excellency Piotr Gluski, Ambassador of Poland to India, Mrs. Rita Menon, Chairperson, Commanding Director, ITPO, Mr. Max Claudet, Culture Counselor, Embassy of France, Mr. B.L. Bina, OSD, ITPO, distinguished guests, my colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Well, the current edition of New Delhi Book Fair is coming to an end. We feel sad about it. Tomorrow is going to be the last day. Anyway, despite some kind of problems on the first day due to the inclement weather, it has been more than made up during last couple of days. I'm very happy for the excellent response. I'm so happy that my team has really stood up as one, as the real NBTNs. So I'm sure that possibly in the years to come, we'll be able to put up a much bigger share. Well, the concept of guest of honor has come to stay in almost all the major book fairs in the world. So we made a modest beginning this year, and we are extremely thankful to France for joining hands with us. And it has been a great and refreshing experience for us, because for the first time, we are having the honor of having a guest as important as France. So we are carrying over the tradition to the next year. I'm very happy and delighted, both as the NBT chairman, as an author, to have Poland as the next year's guest of honor country. And quite interestingly, the ambassador speaks much better Hindi than I do, since I come from a non-Hindi area. So he has mastered the language, and he has picked up the correct accent also. Perhaps this augurs well for the kind of cooperation we are looking at from the Polish side. See, as you know, this is just not shaking hands or working together in a, I would say, 40,000 square meter or 50,000 square meter. It's much more than that. It's not just talking about books or selling books or doing business of selling books. It's a kind of cultural exchanges that take place between two great countries. Both Poland and India has great cultural and literary heritage, and I'm sure that Poland will make the best use of this opportunity next year of coming closer. More than diplomacy, perhaps this is going to be a cultural diplomacy on the part of Poland. So just like what France has done this year, Poland also will be bringing some of their major authors, major publishers. Perhaps that would prove to be very kind of fruitful association on all spheres of Indo-Polish cooperation. So with these formal words, I'm too happy to declare Poland as the guest of honor country for the 2014 New Delhi World Book Fair. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, indeed. Now I would like to request Madam Rita Menon to come and address the audience. Please. Who is all you know, the ITPO is our co-organizer. Madam is rendering all support to this book fair. This is the first joint version of New Delhi World Book Fair. Thank you.
Thank you. Ambassador of Poland to India, Mr. Kwiatkowski, Mr. Sethu Madhavan, Chairman, National Book Trust, all the officials that are working with the ambassador to further Indian and Polish ties, my colleagues in the ITPO, colleagues from the NBT, eminent authors, many of which I see around me, and ladies and gentlemen. ITPO is proud to be partnering with the National Book Trust in this wonderful endeavor to bring the World Book Fair, the New Delhi World Book Fair to India, to Delhi every year. Experienced in Pragati Maidan, marked as it is by a fusion of music, folk literature, and with our efforts, a culinary experience as well. Mr. Francois Richier into our midst for all these days, the whole week, where they really participated. And now we are delighted that we have an Indophil historical position, and not that I know very much about it. There must be a very unique tradition of literature as well, which we shall discover by and by as we go through this year's process. Having authors' corners, giving centrality to the authors, the writers in the New Delhi World Book Fair, has been the hallmark of the arrangement this year, other than providing the visitor experience, which I hope we've been able to do. But we are actually very, very pleased that the authors have made ITPO halls their home, have come to occupy large parts of the author's corner in each hall, and have been able to really network with publishers, and have also been available in flesh and blood to the public of Delhi, which I think is really delighted to see their very favorite authors be with them for as long as they wish to be. So I'm sure we'll carry this through to 2014. We'll try and make it richer. We'll try and have a curtain raiser, if Mr. Sethu Madhavan would like it, towards the end of this year, so that we can actually prepare ourselves for Poland as the guest country. And I am actually very happy that ITPO would be able to offer all that it has to make the National Book Trust's effort and event in 2014 more successful than it has been in 2013. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Poland as the guest country for next year and to New Delhi World Book Fair 2014. Thank you for your attention.
That can be done. Anyway, all right. So I will remember about that. And the coaches will be there, definitely.
Now, Madam, one second. I would like to request our chairman and Ma'am Rita Menon to present this small gift to our present guest of honor country. I would request Mr. Max Lauder to be here to present. We are making one bigger one, and we will be reaching it because it is still in the making. Max Lauder. I would request His Excellency Piotr Lodowski, the Ambassador of the Poland to India, to address the audience.
So, very good afternoon, dear Madam, Mr. Chairman, my respectable colleague, ladies and gentlemen. It's really a great privilege to be here, and thank you very much for the grand announcement on Poland's role next year. And of course, usually as the ambassador, I have a very formal speech, but maybe, you know, apne dil se mujhe kuch na kuch to batana chahiye. Well, because, you know, that spontaneous speech is... Some figures, of course, are very much needed. But I will tell you quite frankly, before we came here, we are discussing with Mr. Chairman the very complexities of translating not only literature, but in fact culture into another language. Because we are here together with friends, not only just to sell books, not only to sell culture, but maybe to learn from each other. And the language itself is a sort of a great richness. But sometimes, as a translator, I worked as a translator myself many years back. I do understand what sort of a challenge it is to have a very perfect translation, especially of a poem, into another language. And well, I do hope that next time, once we are the guests of the book fair, we shall have a session on translating literature into another language. It's very much needed. Because I will tell you quite frankly, here in Indian languages, when I have, well, one concept of love, like prem, like ishq, like muhabbat, of course, I will use probably the same word to have the proper translation of that concept. But